Welcome back, Leia users. In this video tutorial, we're going over how to change your domain name. So there are a few different options for changing your domain name, but we're going to start with changing yours to another site.live extension. Okay, so here we are in the mobile editor. We're going to click on the toolbox in the bottom right corner. We're going to click on this globe icon here for domain name. Alright, it'll tell us that our site is already live at leiawebsitebuilder.site.live, but we're going to change that. Okay, so we're going to search for another name. Leia's going to ask us if we want to save. So if you've made some edits since the last time you've saved, you're going to want to go ahead and save. And go back into the toolbox, click on the globe, and then pick up here. So we're going to continue without saving. And now we're going to go site.live. So again, here's our domain name right now. Let's change this to Leia Website Builder is the best. Alright, so we'll click change. Now if the domain name you chose is already taken, instead of this success message, you're going to get a message telling you that that name has already been taken. Otherwise, you'll see this, and we'll click OK. Our page will reload, and our domain name has been saved. So moving on, let's say we're ready to purchase a domain name with Leia now. So we're going to start in the same way. We're going to click on this toolbox. We're going to go back to domain name. Right, so you can see we changed it to Leia Website Builder is the best.site.live. So let's say we want to go custom this time. Again, we've already done the site live. We're going to go custom. We'll go no now. This is asking if we already own a domain name that we would like to use. We're going to say no. So now we're going to search and we're going to try to find one that we would like to purchase. leiawebsitebuilder.com. So we'll click search, and again, if this name is already taken, you'll get an error saying that name has already been taken. So let's go ahead and click purchase it. And we'll also ask you if you'd like to bundle an SSL certificate, which will make your site secure. SSL certificates are great to have. We have another tutorial on that if you would like to check that out. So if you would like to bundle it, go ahead and click yes. Otherwise, click maybe later. Alright, so here is where we're going to fill in our card information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this information in, and then I'm going to click submit, and then my video will pick back up right after that. Okay, so I have clicked submit, and we get this message telling us our domain name has been purchased. So now what's going to happen is going to kick us out of the editor while it's applied to our site. It's going to take a few minutes. So again, we have to give it some time for the A records to update. If there's any issues, then you'll want to contact customer service. So we're going to click OK. Alright, so we have been pushed out of the site editor, and now we're in our My Projects page. You can see we're down here. Our domain name is listed as leia-aiwebsitebuilder.com as we purchased before, so that worked out properly. Okay, so now we can move on to the final option for editing our domain name. So let's say we have already purchased a domain name from a different registrar and we would like to have that pointed toward our Leia website. So we're going to click custom, and then we're going to say yes, I already have one, and then whatever your domain name is, this is my domain.com, and then you can click submit, and then you're going to get a little message telling you that you're going to have to go visit your domain registrar and have their A records point towards our server. I'll go ahead and put our IP address in the description for this video so you can copy that and paste it into their A records. So as you can see here, we just sent you instructions on how to do that. That's going to go to your email address. All domain providers are different in how they're going to edit their A records, so feel free to reach out to them if you need any help. We'll also have some tutorials available for you on the top 10 domain registrars and how to edit their A records to point at your Leia website. Alright, that's all I got, so please check out other tutorials for more on other topics. If you have any further questions, feel free to send us an email to leia@vybesoftware.com or visit heyleia.com/contact. Thanks for watching.